The topic I will talk about is about OW2 stack. For those who were here this morning, you may have noticed that during the video speech of Jonathan and Mark Collier of OpenStack, they mentioned that at OW2, we are running a test bed whose name is OW2 stack. Now, what is OW2 stack technically speaking? Knowing that it's basically an OpenStack test bed which we are running since July this year. This test bed is hosted by Exalato in Grenoble, and it's installed and configured by Innovance with the gradually release of OpenStack, and of course operated by OW2. As our colleague of Huawei says, it's better to start small, knowing that we started really small at OW2. We have quite limited capacity with this test bed. We have only 2 physical machines, which can support up to about 32 virtual machines, with each one a public IP address. For the moment, knowing that our project is to shift progressively all our physical machines under this cloud infrastructure. So maybe in several months or at most in 1 year, we could expect to get about 3 to 4 times more capacities. So why we do this test bed? Knowing that the first idea is to provide a real cloud environment for OW2 projects such as Compatible One, Physical, Proactive, and our members to test, to verify their products under an OpenStack environment. A second objective for OW2 ourselves, knowing that for the moment, all the IT services at OW2 are running upon physical machines. As an open source consortium and with the emergence of cloud computing, for us it's more than urgent to consider the migration from physical machines to cloud infrastructure. So we are planning to shift progressively all our IT services from physical environment to this cloud infrastructure, from code management to website, forum, applications. For the moment, we have already some project users at OW2 stack, such as Compatible One, WebLab of Nigeria, Bedtest of Nina Gozer, Excel Cloud, Open Cloudware, Proactive, and CoreOS. After having done some tests with this test bed inside of OW2, we have also an objective to interconnect our private cloud, even though it's small for the moment, with the firstly private clouds at our members, such as 99 Cloud in China, USP in Brazil, and many others. The following step after that we plan in the near future is to do some inter-cloud between our private clouds with some public clouds, such as the one of CloudWatt, which should be available next year. And why not with other ones from Bool, for example. Of course, with our infrastructure, there will be some limitations from the technical point of view. For example, due to network topology, all the interconnection between the clouds will be directly over internet. It's not the only one. And when we are discussing with some members, one of the big issue is to migrate, to transfer virtual machine images over network connections. We expect also to work a little bit about these issues with the members. From the governance point of view, running this test bed will give us some precious experience to know how to operate a real cloud environment infrastructure, how to manage registration, the access control, the quarter, and how to share the rights between the members, for example. Of course, we are also in discussion with some non-OpenStack clouds, such as a public cloud provider, Igula, such as Windows Azure. Perhaps after having done some experimentation between OpenStack clouds, we would extend our experimentation to non-OpenStack clouds. Okay, basically, OW2 stack will not have mystery for you after this presentation. Do we have any question?